Hello everyone, as you can see we have a USB microphone and boom arm set. It is from Maono. I have unboxed a few other things from this brand, so I'm curious to see the quality on this one. Everything else that I've unboxed, which I'll leave links periodically up and down here, as far as other things that I've unboxed from them, the quality on them have been really good. I've used them mostly at work, studio headphones, and then a small mixer as well. Worked out very well in every application that I've used it so far, so I'm curious to see how this works. This is the AU-PM461S Professional Audio Innovation. As you can see here, on the back, it does come with the desk mount, as well as the shock mount for the microphone itself as well, with the pop filter. And apparently it is a USB-B type connector. I'm not sure what that is, so we'll see what that is. That's interesting. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we've got. If you've got any questions while we're doing this, feel free to ask down below. Let's go ahead and add a little more light to the video here so we can kind of see a little bit better as far as what we've got. And just so you guys know as well, Maono actually sent this to me. This is the first time that they've done that, so I'm very happy to take a closer look at it. I've had good experiences with the brand, so that's why I am okay to do it. I don't normally unbox things that other people give me, but yeah, we'll see. The microphone's a little lighter than I was expecting. At least I think that's the microphone. Shock mount here, and the spring here as well. Looks like something just popped out. All right, I'm gonna get everything cleaned up here and I'll be right back. All right, so just a little bit here in the beginning. Let's go ahead and undo the cable. So apparently the USB type B is this connector here, and I apologize that I did not know that. And then it's got the USB-A connector on this side. The USB-B connector goes at the bottom of the microphone. All right, so let's go ahead and put everything together. This part here is, there's a lot of plastic, which I'm not a fan of, but you know, oh well. So we're just gonna screw this in, putting this together. And it does spin once you do put everything in. That's fine. I'm okay with that. And then the pop should just snap right on. There we go. And basically the way that you use this is you'll always speak into where the gain is, not the backside. All right, so that's on. That's on. Now we got to put this on here. The clamp, I'm not really going to go into that much. I mean, it is just a simple clamp, just like that. So I'll go ahead and put this on the desk and I'll be right back. We'll go ahead and put together the arm here in just a second. All right, so I went ahead and put the clamp on. There really isn't that much to it. We'll go ahead and insert the arm. There is a Tighten that you can use for the arm there, and the arm basically will go up and down, and there's a Tighten basically at every point. So go ahead and put this guy on. Tighten this. Put it on straight. The arm itself is nice in that it is metal, not plastic, but I'm not happy with the fact that this is plastic here, but it'll have to do. All right, so that's on, and just like that now, there we go. That's about as far out as that's gonna go. So, I mean, it's got a good reach, so I'm happy with that. Let's go ahead and see. There we go. There we go. That's so That's basically the arm as far as what you're able to do. I mean, it's like any other arm. It gives you a good amount of reach. I'm happy with that. The clamp isn't, it gives you about a 2-inch gap. So depending on your desk, you may or may not be able to use it. So now I guess the only thing left is really to do some sound tests. So we'll go ahead and do that now. So we're going to use the blue Snowball microphone as our base microphone that we're going to compare against. And what we're going to do is read the description from Amazon for this microphone and see how it goes. So let's go ahead and start by reading. About this item, flexible mic gain knob. The mic gain knob can increase the sensitivity of the microphone so that you can adjust the gain and volume easily and quickly. You can increase the gain appropriately when the volume of YouTube live streaming is low or the distance is far away, which will help you increase the volume without sound distortion. Excellent sound quality. The USB condenser microphone has a built-in professional sound chipset, 192 kHz, 24-bit high sampling rate, and smooth frequency response of 100 Hz to 18 kHz, which captures the clear and smooth sound when podcasting or gaming. Cardioid pickup pattern suppresses unwanted background noise and captures clear sound. It is perfect for recording live streaming, Zoom meetings, chatting, voiceover, Twitch, YouTube video, etc. Easy to install. With a sturdy and durable arm stand set, you only need to install the arm stand on the table, which easily adjusts the microphone angle and height when podcasting or gaming. The arm's stand set and pop filter is made of durable steel, which prolongs the use time of the microphone kit. All right, so we're going to go ahead and switch out to the actual microphone we're testing, the Maono Professional Condenser Computer Mic for podcasting, gaming, recording, streaming, YouTube, PC, laptop. All right, so now we have the actual Maono microphone here. Let's go ahead and read the same thing we did with the Snowball. Flexible mic gain knob. The mic gain knob can increase the sensitivity of the microphone so that you can adjust the gain and volume easily and quickly. You can increase the gain appropriately when the volume of YouTube live streaming is low or the distance is far away, which will help you increase the volume without sound distortion. Excellent sound quality. The USB condenser microphone has built-in professional sound chipset, 192 kHz, 24-bit high sampling rate, and smooth frequency response of 100 Hz to 18 kHz, which captures the clear and smooth sound when podcasting or gaming. Cardioid pickup pattern suppresses unwanted background noise and captures clear sound. It is perfect for recording, live streaming, Zoom meetings, chatting, voiceover, Twitch, YouTube video, etc. Easy to install. With a sturdy and durable arm stand set, you only need to install the arm stand on the table, which easily adjusts the microphone angle and height when podcasting or gaming. The arm stand set and pop filter is made of durable steel, which prolongs the use time of the microphone kit. All right, so I think that was a good reading, so you can compare the blue Snowball versus this Maono microphone, and we'll go ahead and go back to the table, and we'll talk about the results and go from there. All right, so hopefully having the sound comparison between the blue and the Maono microphone gave you a better understanding as far as what the sound quality was. I thought it was good to read extended length. I would normally only do a sentence or two, but I thought having that extra length would give you a better understanding of what the sound was like. The pop filter actually did much better than I was expecting here. As far as the sound quality, I'd really give it a toss-up for me, only because I'm not sure which one fits better for my voice, and that's really what it's going to come down to, is what fits better for you. I think that the range on the blue was a little bit better, but the Maono did better as far as keeping it a calm standard level. So I don't know. If you don't have a microphone, the Maono might be the better choice for you. only because it is smaller. It does have the stand as well, so it'll work really well to just clamp onto your desk. Whereas the Blue here, I was basically holding it. That was the only way I was going to get the sound that I wanted out of it, which is not going to be ideal for this particular microphone, it being the Snowball. So, I mean, the Maono was perfect height every time. So, yeah, that's pretty much what I have to say about it. So the Maono is going to be less expensive than the Blue, and it does come with the stand, so it might be something to consider if you do not already have a microphone. If you already do have a microphone, listen to my recordings, see what makes sense for you. Really, I could go either way as far as which I prefer, only because I have both. So that's what I've got there. But leave a comment down in the description, or comment down below with which one you thought sounded better. If it's going to be, I'm really curious to see which one you think sounds better, actually. Personally, like I said, I could go either way. For some things, I think the Blue sounded better. For others, I think the Maono sounded better. So with that, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Have any questions, ask down below. Let me know which one sounded better. If you do not already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting. So with that, have a great day.